Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the terminal and confirming power source. If battery, check charge level, and if plugged, ensure stable mains. Once on, log in or enter your merchant ID so transactions attach to your account. Next, prompt the customer to present their card. Insert chip, swipe magstripe, or tap contactless. Make sure the terminal displays the correct total before proceeding. This prevents voids and saves you from later reconciliation. You now process the sale by selecting the appropriate transaction type. Sale is default, but choose refund or tip if needed. Enter the exact amount and then let the customer complete verification. PIN for chip, signature if required, or contactless without PIN for small amounts. Once you submit, the terminal seeks authorization. Wait for approval or decline messages. If approved, finalize by printing or emailing the receipt, and make sure the merchant and customer copies match the displayed total. You finish by closing the batch to settle all approved transactions with your acquirer. Do this at shift end or per store policy. If a transaction declines or terminal stalls, first check network connection and retry, then reboot the terminal and try again and make sure the card was inserted correctly. If problems persist, gather the terminal logs, note error codes, and contact merchant support with those details. This speeds up resolution and prevents lost sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.